Hello! In this tutorial video, we will learn how to reskin characters from the exciting book series called Bright Family on Epic for Minecraft. We've got this, Benjamin! If anyone knows how to tinker, it's you! To create these, we'll use the incredible Tynker platform that also allows you to code your own games and more. Go to the website tynker.com. Click on the Join for Free button. Click on Student as the account type. Enter your details. Don't forget to select the I'm Not a Robot button. Click on Join Tynker. Select Block Coding and continue to Dashboard. You should now be on the Tynker homepage. Go to Projects, select Minecraft, and click on Create. You should be on the Block Coding page. Got it? Good! Look down the list on the left until you see Minecraft. Now go to the search bar and type Steve. Let's select the option Steve and move on to the next step. Ready to begin! Here on the Skin Editor, we'll choose a different hair color and skin tone for Benjamin using the pencil tool. Color in all the areas of exposed skin on his head. Now just go on and let your creativity do the rest. Looking good, Benjamin! But we are going to need to add your lab coat. Gotta look official as you tinker with all your amazing inventions. All right, Minecraft World, meet Benjamin Bright. Well done! Now before we close out, let's rename this skin in the upper left-hand corner. Click on the download icon on the top left corner. There you go, your very own Benjamin Bright Minecraft skin. Now you can dress him up however you like. Awesome!